Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. Today I'm going to go through a little pour with you, and it's using those Mont ready-made pouring paint. So meaning that they come in those containers already made. They are quite a thick paint, so you could certainly put them into a separate container and maybe add a little bit of water to them, I guess, or a little bit of your pouring medium. But today I'm testing them out on this 20 by 25 canvas, and I'm going to do a landscape, an abstract landscape, but I'm going to put a tree in it. So this is a very easy way, I find, of doing that kind of art, abstract landscape. And my tree, I've done them quite a few times with these paints over the years. So here I'm sort of mindful of the colours that I want to achieve in the landscape. So I'm using all the metallics, metallic gold, metallic bronze, metallic silver in there. So just sort of keeping in mind how you want everything to fall in place, and hopefully everything goes to plan. So at the moment I'm just tilting over the canvas to cover the canvas in that paint, but also trying to tilt in a way that I feel will do the landscape justice. That is a bit of turquoise paint, and it's actually mixed with Australian Floetrol. It is just my acrylic paint because I want to create some cells in here to be a part of my landscape effect, so hence that one. I will also add some black that is also mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to use the two colours to swipe, keeping in mind that I want, my landscape to appear before your very eyes. So that is part of my landscape plan, but you are actually seeing it upside down. I haven't got a camera set up that films up and behind me to get the view that I'm seeing. I just can't seem to get that right. So I'm dipping that little spatula in some black paint, and you watch my gorgeous tree will appear, but remembering that you're looking at it upside down. So watch the magic happen. go. Look at this little beauty. It is really turned out perfect for the idea that I had in my head. And it's just a lovely and easy way to do a abstract landscape, I find. So as I said, I've done this many times before in different forms, and enjoyed every minute of it, but I did find those Mont pre-made pouring paints were perfect for this little canvas. Really enjoyed the process and absolutely enjoyed the end result. So I'll just bring you down for a squeezy because the little champagne cells in there are pretty exquisite. Look, see the effect it got. It just looks, looks just beautiful actually, and it, because there's so many metallics in there, it is absolutely shimmering. So gorgeous. I loved making this. Just really a nice little pastime. Hope you enjoy, and we'll be back again soon. So take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.